The electric wrap can be found under SASSE Library Effects Electric, and it will need an object to work with. So I'm going to just add a monkey. Hello, Suzanne. And we're going to drag and drop the electric wrap onto the object. Now we can see that adds this effect around it. We hit play, and it's sort of giving that electric juice effect. You can tighten it up to your mesh, or you can expand it out beyond. We can change the color. We can squash the lines together to have more frequent, or we can pull them apart to have fewer, which is also going to change the speed. So you can adjust for that down here. And we can also adjust the rotation. So is it coming forward? Is it coming from the back? Or is it going top to bottom or bottom to top?